Hey everyone, I am coming at you with today's math lesson. Today we will be counting by fives. Okay, so here we have our normal hundreds chart, and as you can see, the fives are highlighted, right? So can you see a pattern between the fives that you need to count? Okay. And all of them, well, most of them end in 5, right? They end in all the numbers that you need to count by 5 either end in 5 or they end in 0. Okay? So let's go ahead and start counting by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so let me go ahead and bring up just those numbers. Alright, you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. As you can see, it is not very difficult to do. Since we're counting by fives, we count less numbers in order to get to 100. So since we know the number up to 120, let's go ahead and count up to 120. So after 100 comes 105, just like 5 normally does. 110, 115, 120. And what do you think would come after 125? Yes. I'm sorry, 120 is 125. Sorry, everyone. I do that sometimes. I give the answer instead of waiting for you to answer the question. All right, so this I'm going to go ahead and post this on Google Classroom so that you can have it. It has a couple of other things too. Looks like I found it online. So let's go ahead and insert count by 5, see if we can figure it out. So we're going to go ahead and get this practice in. The site is called Math is Fun. It's not really a game, but it is really helpful with what counting by 5s. I think this is pretty helpful. So here you can either do it on a tablet or on a computer. So here starts off at 5, 10. What comes next? 15, and 20's after that. 25, 30, 35, 40, and then what comes in between 40 and 50? That's right, 45. Very good. Alright, so you can do that again, or you can go back and do 5s all the way to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, wrong one, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. And again, you can just keep going and going and going until you run out of numbers, or until you run out of breath, or until you get hungry. Alright everyone, so that was just the quick lesson for today. Just practice counting your numbers. So I'll let you go ahead and practice now. We're going to go ahead and count by 5s. Ready? And just for extra practice, go ahead and count after 100. Alright, awesome job everybody. I hope you had fun in this lesson, and tomorrow we will be counting by 10s, which is even easier. And we'll do a lot more games than we did today. Alright, stay tuned for the next lesson.